In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about gaskets. The valve cover gasket can be made of various different materials, ranging from cork, rubber, or even plastic. This is the old valve cover. We're going to replace it due to the very large hole in it. The gasket, however, may be reusable. As you can see right here, this gasket is made of a rubber material. As long as it's not brittle, you can see it's still rubber, it can be reused. On this particular engine, the gasket is approximately $30. I have a brand new one here. For your purposes, you may just want to go with a new one, but due to my experience, once I got a look at this, I'm going to return my gasket, get the money back out of it, and reuse the old one. It is only really possible on rubber gaskets. If yours is made of a cork material, you're going to have to get a new one.